Welcome back to Beck. Headed to Arjun's to mess with this Packard again. Probably gonna be a long day. Here we go. We're gonna attempt to do the wiring today so that the starter button works. Hopefully this doesn't go too bad. Having the same color wiring kind of makes it difficult, so hopefully this will help. Alright, update. When I moved these wires around and then went to reconnect the battery, it arced kind of heavy. So that means there's something touching up in there and I couldn't see it. So I kind of pulled this main harness here down out of the dash area and it quit arcing when I would connect the battery. So it makes me nervous, but what we're going to do is I've got a wire run out to the coil, going to run it off the switch here, and also going to wire to the push start button. We obviously got that yellow wire running out to the coil and another new wire going from the coil to the distributor. We run a wire to that starter solenoid. As you can see, the original wire, what we're dealing with, doesn't look very good. I really don't want to burn the car down. So that's why we're going to do this. We're going to bypass all of that stuff. I don't even know if I'm going to hook the gauges up with the wires they have marked. So do this and at least get it to light off, hopefully. Okay, go pick up some more terminals. And then I can finish wiring that up and then maybe give it a shot today. Wire it up. We'll test, see if it works. Alright.
So you tried the push button, huh?
Yeah.
You are a great guy, man. Son of a bitch.
And it doesn't have power unless I got it through the key.
Yeah.
So the button won't work unless the key's on.
Oh, nice, nice. Like it probably won't start without any kind of fuel, right?
I'll try to watch for spark. I don't see spark.
Okay.
So make sure you turn the key off because that goes straight to the coil.
Key's off.
Okay. Alright, so no spark. Discovered that the coil is not reading what it should. Ohms check. Says it's supposed to put out up to I think 1.7 on the primary. So we're good there, and it's supposed to be something like 8,000 to 11,000 on the secondary. This is going to be fun. Putting out 4 to 5. And when you verify the new one, .5. So we're good between the 8 and the 11. Okay, I can't see spark. That's it till we get some points and a condenser. So no spark yet. Thanks for watching.